I'm sure you've never made or eaten chicken popcorn as crispy as the ones I'm going to teach you today. You will need diced chicken breasts like these. Take a platter and place all the chicken. Then add a box of sour cream, black pepper, oregano, and dehydrated garlic. In this part, you can season the way you prefer, adding more seasonings to give your chicken more flavor. Now let's mix with the help of a spoon until all the seasoning is spread. Add some paprika and mix. The mixture should look like this. Then cover the platter with cling film and place in the fridge for 40 minutes. The longer you let it rest, the tastier it will be. After being in the fridge, remove, also removing the cling film. For breading, we will use wheat flour and breadcrumbs in equal proportions. In a large bowl, place the 2 flours and mix well. At this point you can add a little black pepper and salt to taste. Mix well. Now pass the chicken cubes in the flour and set aside. At this moment I would like to know from which city are you watching us. Leave it in the comments so that in the next recipe, I send you a special message. Thank you so much for following our page and seeing our recipes. After breading the pieces, they should look like this. Now let's fry them. I put the pieces one by one in very hot oil. Be very careful not to get burned. The oil that you are going to put in the pan has to cover the chicken cubes completely like I am doing. With the help of a fork, separate the pieces so they don't stick. Once they're golden brown, it's time to take them out. Do this with the help of a slotted spoon. The oil and put on paper to absorb the oil. Now just enjoy this delicious recipe. See how crispy it is on the outside and juicy on the inside. Do it at your house and let me know how it turned out. See you in the next recipe.